doing here, mate? What? Yeah. What's going over there? See that there? You see that there? Yeah.
I'm quite aware, right? I'm quite aware. But the porter told me to come in, put the bags in, so it's a double red line.
Yeah. Once you put the bags in, then you can actually go there.
What? Right? Put the bags in, yeah?
Come on. Why didn't you do that?
Somebody just pulled up.
Okay, this is not good enough, mate. You shouldn't be in the first place. Okay, you shouldn't be in it. Everybody is gonna argue. Because no, it's not the point. It's not the point. It's not the point. Okay, exactly. Exactly.
No, I'm serious. I'm serious.
Yeah.
It's not a gang up. It's a reasonable question here.
Yeah,
This is a dedicated cycle lane. Can you please?
Yeah,
Really
exactly.
appreciate it if you could. Thank you.
Yeah, you can't park. You can't
There's
park
plenty
here.
of parking here.
You go. Listen, right there. You got white section there.
He's absolutely right.
Unbelievable. Yeah, because nobody should be here at all. They should even.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it should be even there or over there.
You would. Sure. That's the right place to do it. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah, of course, yeah, thank you. Unbelievable. I just saw, wow, I didn't have my cameras on.
Yeah.
Just about 2 minutes before that, I was coming back up here from Midlands. Car driving that, I went mental.
I almost got like cut door the other day. And
It's ridiculous. I mean, here as well. I was sitting this on Thursday, sitting going to work.
Yeah.
Couple of cyclists here. The lorry almost came down the side of the highway, ballistic.
There's also, I mean, if in this particular area, if this is a problem, and if people like if it's just like a accidental thing, then maybe they need better signage.
They need to put something there which actually stops.
If too many people are turning
Exactly, coming in. Yeah, I'll be complaining to TFL about this.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers, mate. Thank you. Cheers.